loaded in a land. Dipping through the hood, got the trap going hand. Got the trap going hand. Trap going hand. Got the trap going hand. Trap going hand.
Let's go.
Riding with the sub, getting loaded in a land. Dipping through the hood, got the trap going hand. Got the trap going hand. Trap going hand. Got the trap going hand. Trap going hand.
The block banging hard as hell, 24/7. Your people talking about 12, I got them for 11. I hustle real hard, but I ain't Ace Hood. Even through the drought, all my niggas ain't good. Even when it's slow, the spot still doing 3 a day. Hit me if you need the yay, hard or soft, either way. Catch me on the block, whatever you want, I got. You ain't gotta wait, I can get it for you on the spot. We got that work in, y'all got a brick or two. And the bows busting out the bag, come and pick a few. They 460 with the sack, do the math, nigga. If you knew how we get them back, you would laugh, nigga. And the number on them low like shorty, I hit the club with the whole crew and blow like 40. If I gotta bring it to you, then that's extra, nigga. And I'm riding with the chopper, you can catch a nigga.